This year, Tesla has been doing incredibly well, which has led many people to think about buying the stock. What other outstanding investors think of Tesla stock is a question that many investors have. The question of whether Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, his right-hand man, are bullish on the stock could scarcely be more pressing at this point. Berkshire Hathaway Vice Chairman Charlie Munger has previously expressed disapproval of Tesla. While praising Tesla CEO Elon Musk in many aspects in 2018, he also had issue with his actions. However, Munger recently made some incredibly flattering remarks about Elon and Tesla. It's possible that some changes in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio indicate that Buffett and Munger may have altered their minds about Tesla and are now covertly accumulating the stock. In this video, we'll go over everything, so please watch, hit the like button, and subscribe. In recent months, there has been a notable surge in the value of tech and growth stocks, including Tesla. But despite this rising trend, Elon Musk's Twitter antics have continued to be a distraction, which has prevented Tesla from fully capitalizing on this gain and diminished the company's already excellent growth story and performance. However, Tesla is capturing a sizable market share and turning a profit as it makes tremendous strides in the quickly growing EV business. Additionally, in response to the spike in demand, the business is looking at creative ways to control this expansion. According to Tesla, the average cost of parts and assembly for one of their cars is $36,000, but the final price is usually at least $10,000 more. By cutting the delivery wait times for its Model 3 and Model Y cars to only 1 week, Tesla has achieved a notable milestone. For Tesla devotees who have been discouraged by the lengthy wait times that have hampered sales, this information is very reassuring. Now that the waiting period has been reduced, there could be a big increase in demand for the company's electric cars. In Q3 2022, Tesla generated a $3.29 billion profit, which is quite remarkable given that Toyota delivered 8 times as many cars as Tesla did in the same time frame. This demonstrates how Tesla is not only leading the electric vehicle market, but is gradually taking the lead in the global automobile market. In a highly significant moment for the company, the sage Charlie Munger has made public comments regarding Tesla. In the business world, Charlie Munger is well regarded for his keen sense of humor, remarkable intelligence, and aptitude for spotting and funding profitable ventures. He has been a key contributor to Berkshire Hathaway's success as vice chairman and has shaped the investment philosophy that has made the company one of the most prosperous companies in history. Munger is a well-liked and significant figure in the financial industry because of his views on life, business, and investing, which are highly regarded and sought after by many. Charlie has previously criticized Tesla. While praising Tesla CEO Elon Musk in several aspects in 2018, he also expressed disapproval of his actions, saying, "I don't think he needs to be tweeting. He doesn't need to travel to Mars." In my opinion, Munger has also voiced doubts on Tesla's value, stating in 2019 that it's unclear to me if Tesla will succeed or not. The valuation placed on it seems excessive, but I'm not sure. Charlie Munger has doubts about the electric vehicle market, but one company that defies his misgivings is BYD, a Chinese electric vehicle rival of Tesla. Since 2008, Berkshire Hathaway has been a shareholder in BYD. Munger has called BYD his all-time favorite stock, with gains on the company's investment exceeding 600%. When asked if he preferred BYD to Tesla, Munger was very clear in his response, pointing out that while Tesla's car costs decreased in China last year, BYD was able to boost theirs. Munger claims that BYD has a large manufacturing facility in China, which is practically absurd when contrasted to Tesla's facility, which is larger than a sizable portion of Manhattan Island. Nevertheless, despite his early misgivings, Munger commended Tesla in a recent interview with CNBC. Charlie Munger has expressed his admiration for Tesla's outstanding achievements and quick growth in the electric vehicle market. Munger recently stated in an interview that he was positive on Tesla and that the firm has outperformed forecasts. Munger has called Elon Musk's Tesla a small miracle and an amazing feat for the American auto sector. Tesla has become one of the most expensive corporations in the world, surpassing $600 billion in market capitalization as of January this year, despite initial skepticism. In the first 2 quarters of 2021, Tesla produced 1.91 million automobiles at that time. 386,759 vehicles were produced by the business in the third quarter of 2022. The manufacturer shipped nearly the same number of cars, 340,300. With a significant 5.95% increase in revenue, Tesla's quarterly revenue for the quarter ended in September was $454 billion. Munger claims that Tesla's revenue during this period was close to $75 billion, a significant increase of 59.8% over the same period last year. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has significantly improved society. In fact, Munger said in public that Tesla's success in the auto sector is somewhat miraculous because it has been a very long time since a new, successful automaker has emerged. Known for his stellar investment track record, Charlie Munger issued a warning earlier this year at the Daily Journal's annual meeting. Munger forecast that some people's pitiful excesses were endangering the economy and that the investing markets were in serious peril. In addition, he mentioned that the shorts had at an all-time high and that venture capital and other forms of private equity funds were plentiful. Munger ascribed the exorcism occurring in the investment markets to elements like Bitcoin and GameStop. Additionally, he pointed out that while prices continued to climb in all areas of spending, individuals were spending more on commodities than they had a year ago, which was contributing to a rapid increase in inflation globally. Munger pointed to the Consumer Price Index's 12-month percentage fluctuations as of October of last year as proof that inflation was on the rise. The investment bank Morgan Stanley released a statement about Tesla in which it stated that even if Musk's use of Twitter would have a negative effect on consumer sentiment, investors could benefit from any subsequent decline in the price of Tesla stock. This comes after the benchmark rate was increased by 0.75 percentage points to a range of 3% to 3.25% as a result of the Federal Reserve's three rate rises. A recent analysis from Morgan Stanley claims that Elon Musk's ownership of Twitter is one of the reasons why Tesla's market value has fallen below $200 billion. Nonetheless, the analysis contends that a key element influencing the prices of Tesla's shares is investors' faith in the company's ability to project the economic prognosis fell. Are its energy storage and electric vehicle EV businesses supported by a positive macroeconomic environment. While it is challenging to measure the effect of this confidence on Tesla shares, investors continue to express anxiety about it, and it has recently been put to the test. Strong fundamentals at Tesla include remarkable car production, high vehicle delivery rates, stable revenue and profit margins, and cutting-edge technologies. Whether Tesla can do even greater things is still up in the air. Morgan Stanley projects that Tesla will make an effort to cut production costs in the future in an effort to bring down car pricing. The investment group also thinks Tesla might keep bringing down the price of its cars. The company's China team reports that there have been notable price reductions in that market and anticipates comparable price reductions in Europe once Tesla's Giga Berlin factory starts producing over 5,000 units per week. Morgan Stanley projects that the expansion of the renewable supply chain in the U.S. might have a substantial positive impact on Tesla, a company that can make money and expand on its own. Because of this, the investment firm projects that on its 2025 prediction, Tesla stock could trade at around 23 times its PE and 12.5 times its EV per EBITDA earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Ultimately, regardless of our stance on Charlie's overly optimistic assertions on Biden, Tesla's primary rival, or a belief that he harbors a bias towards the company, we will always recognize his exceptional investment acumen. Regarding Charlie Munger's Tesla allegations, what are your thoughts? Please let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the upcoming video too. Morgan Stanley projects that the expansion of the renewable supply chain in the U.S. might have a substantial positive impact on Tesla, a company that can make money and expand on its own. Because of this, the investment firm projects that on its 2025 prediction, Tesla stock could trade at around 23 times its PE and 12.5 times its EV per EBITDA earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Ultimately, regardless of our stance on Charlie's overly optimistic assertions on Biden, Tesla's primary rival, or our belief that he harbors a bias towards the company, we will always recognize his exceptional investment acumen. Regarding Charlie Munger's Tesla allegations, what are your thoughts? Please let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the upcoming video too. Music.